figure out how to do this. Do it again. That's a police siren. How'd you make that?
Look.
Oh, right there. All the instructions.
Yep.
What are you gonna make next?
I don't know.
Who do you have to thank for giving you this cool toy to put together? Who gave it to you?
Auntie Sandy.
That's right. What do you say to Auntie Sandy?
Thank you, Auntie Sandy.
She's gonna love that.
And Jack says thank you too.
And Jack says hi to Auntie Sandy too. Say hi, Jack. Say hi.